Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut a video on Capcut. So here I've already opened my Capcut and then I'm going to add a new project and choose the video that you want to edit. Okay, so here as you can see the video is 56 seconds long and then I'm going to cut it. So what you need to do is so easy. You just need to go to the end of the video. Okay, and then click on the video and you can just drag this video to cut the ending, for example like this, and it become short into, for example, you want to make it into 40 seconds video like this, and then you're done. You can just click on save to save your video. But if you want to cut the middle part of the video, so you can just go, for example, you can just play the video and then click on split and then play again and choose the part that you want to cut, split again, and then click on the middle part that you have split it, and then click on this and click on delete. So just like that, the video has been cut in the middle. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can cut a video and on CapCut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like and also comment and subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll see you on next video. Bye bye.